What's the meaning of corolla? Corolla. Corolla.
Corolla. Corolla. Corolla refers to the collection of petals of a flower that makes up the innermost part of the bloom. The corolla is usually brightly colored and serves to attract pollinators such as bees or butterflies. It is also responsible for protecting the reproductive structures of the flower, including the stamens and pistils. The term corolla comes from Latin, where it means little crown. Overall, the corolla plays an essential role in the reproductive cycle of flowering plants and contributes to their beauty and diversity.